Hey guys, welcome back to Restoration Rescue. Join us today as we try and finish up this passenger side so we're one step closer to throwing it back on this frame. Hey guys, sorry about the rain if it's a little loud in here, but it's a lot better than what it was last week when it was like 100 degrees in here. But last week we took care of the floor pans pretty much, got that welded in. We still have some welding to do there. But this week what we're gonna do is, you can see right up at the front, we're gonna take care of that panel up off to the right, cut it out, and put some new metal in so we can finally have a place to put our feet. Alright, so we have this thing tacked in. We have to lay some more beads, but we're going to talk about the corner piece over here that we had to put in that you guys can't really see because we got a bunch of stuff here. But there's like an L piece that goes in, and there's a lip here that wraps around it. You can kind of see it back here. I don't know if you really can. But what it does is it sits there, and then you spot weld this panel all in. So we're going to come back here later and do that. But we had to make our own piece. We didn't buy the whole firewall or whatnot because it was just too expensive to order. So we made our own panel. Then we had to cut out and make our own floor panel. Again, we didn't want to pay the $300 odd for our firewall, especially since 99% of our firewall was perfect and we have a lot of wasted metal. So we decided to try and cut it out. Then we decided it was probably a better idea to put a cardboard piece, cut it out, match it with our metal, and then put it in, which turned out great. As you can see, this looks pretty good. There's some metal bending that we still have to do to get it exactly right. A little patch that we have to still do to get it 100%, some beads. But that is gonna be a wrap for today's video. Thanks for joining us again. Make sure you guys use those affiliate links. Make sure you like the video, and we'll see you guys next Saturday.